Hello everyone, today I am going to show end-to-end walkthrough of SSO implementation in ServiceNow. For this demonstration I am using the public SSO provided by SSO Circle. URL is provided in the description below. Go to ServiceNow, install the plugin. Integration, multiple provider, single sign-on installer. This will take a few minutes to complete the installation. However, it takes just a few seconds to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's the real motivation for us. Please give it a try. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the Identity Providers module under the Multi-Provider SSO application menu. Create new identity provider and click on SAML. Select XML option in the Import Identity Provider Metadata dialog box. Register and log in to SSO Circle. Note the email used to register for SSO Circle should be the same as the user email in ServiceNow. Click on Manage Metadata and then click on SSO Circle Public IDP Metadata. Copy the XML data and paste it in the Enter the XML field of the Import Identity Provider Metadata dialog box in ServiceNow and click on Import. You can notice all the details are automatically populated in the Identity Provider form. Make the user field in the Advanced section populated as email. Check default as true. Click on Generate Metadata, copy the service provider metadata displayed. Go to SSO Circle, click on Manage Metadata, and then click on Add New Service Provider. Paste the copied metadata into the Insert the SAML metadata information of your SP section. Copy and paste the ServiceNow instance URL in the Enter the FQDN of the service provider field. Now click on Submit. Go back to ServiceNow and click on Test Connection. Click on Activate. On the Identity Provider page, scroll down to the related links and click on Set as Auto Redirect IDP. Click on the Account Recovery Properties module under Multi-Provider SSO application menu. Select Enable Account Recovery and configure the account recovery as instructed in Step 2. Click on Save. Click on the Properties module below Administration Separator under Multi-Provider SSO application menu. Select Enable Multiple Provider SSO and click on Save. Now let us test the implementation, log out, and log into ServiceNow. You will notice the SSO Circle login page as the default login page. If you want more helpful videos like this, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.